Welcome to another edition of Jay Meditates on a Moto. I'm your host, Jason, and today I'm going to talk about why I haven't been posting as much lately. I got a few good reasons why I haven't been posting lately, and I'm going to talk about them today. Well, the first reason I haven't been posting as much is it's rainy season here in Costa Rica. So while, it's really good weather in the United States right now for riding, most days here are not. So today, being a beautiful day, I said, let's go out for a ride. I mean, look at that volcano. It just looks amazing. So, I love that Arenal volcano. Anyway, back to why I've been posting so much. So, being rainy season, I haven't been going out as much. Also, we've been having some changes in our restrictions here for driving. And so, with all the different changes, I honestly, there was a week where I just didn't even go riding at all because I didn't want to lose my license plate, because that's what happens here. They take your license plate and then it takes like 6 or 8 weeks till you can pay the fine and get it back. And it's not always that easy. So that's another reason is, all these restrictions have been changing and it's been raining. And then, if anybody who watches a lot of my videos knows, I use a lot of the Insta360 camera a lot, and the last number of videos have all been strictly with my GoPro, and only one from my helmet mount. And so, long story short, one of the GoPros I bought, it just never worked. It died. It never charged. I think it turned on one time, and it's here in Costa Rica. It's not. I didn't buy it here. I bought it on Amazon. It's past. I tried to send it back, and it was so complicated. And once I found out that I needed this international return slip, long story short, it didn't work out. And so now I'm stuck with this, and I guess I'm going to contact GoPro and see what they can do about it, but I'm not so optimistic. So, but my Insta360 has been having some problems, and I didn't understand what was going on, so I contacted the company, and they said that it's because of my handlebar mount, and that it was causing too much vibration, and that's why I was having the technical issues I was having. Long story short, they are sending me the belt accessory. That's the view I really wanted. The camera for. It's what I bought the camera for, really. So, yeah, I think that's pretty awesome of Insta360 to send me that accessory for free. So they sent it to, and it arrived at a friend's house in Ohio, and they're going to send a few things for me. I have a few other things I'm collecting that they're going to send to me here in Costa Rica, because we don't really have a postal system, so it can be difficult to just get things shipped here. So those are the real main reasons why I haven't been posting. There was like about 2 or 3 weeks where I just wasn't feeling well at all, and I got sick and just kind of took it easy at home. So So when I wasn't feeling good, I really didn't feel like making videos, editing videos, posting videos. So I kind of just was home resting and whatnot. So this guy's being a real fucking asshole here behind me. Really putting pressure on me to fucking drive way faster than I need to. And then when we get into the turns, he's not going to be able to fucking keep up. So beautiful day out. Really can't complain about the weather because it is just beautiful. Hasn't really gotten up to full temperature yet for the day, so it's actually a little bit cool and refreshing. It's a nice little ride. So it's a beautiful morning. Really is the perfect day to go riding. Now that I got some new brakes. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I really don't have to get down on them. There's a lot more meat to those brakes now. Wow, what a beautiful day. I'm really enjoying it. And I thought I'd make this little video for everybody. Just because in the rainy season, every day is not like this in Costa Rica, so while it's beautiful like this, I will ride and enjoy the day.